They called her Mary, barely grown. She rose before the light had shone. Not for school nor Sunday grace, she tied her hair with woven lace. She stood on crates to reach the thread, her fingers raw, her breakfast bread. She didn't cry, she didn't fall, but children don't belong at all. And still they said that's how it runs, as if the world were built by sons. They watched them bend, they watched them strain, and praised the backs that bore the chain. No time for books, no right to play. Their years were spent in work and gray. Tommy pulled the cart through ash. The wheels would creak, the lashes lash. The rats would run, the roof would weep. But boys like him don't dare to sleep. He didn't flinch, he learned to bow. A quiet nod, a furrowed brow. Still not a man, still chasing air. A child beneath the foreman's glare. And still they said they learn it best, as if their youth were made for tests. They taught them grit, but not to dream. Then paid them half and stole the seam. No future forged from forge and flame, just children carved to take the blame. Joe once reached to fix the thread. The spindle snapped and marked him red. But that's not why this verse is sung. The work was wrong since it begun. He's not a warning, not a sign, just one more lost beneath the line, where hours blur and bodies break, and silence follows every year.
In Victorian Britain, the smallest backs carried the heaviest loads. Children worked 13-hour shifts. Some were paid in food, others in silence. They swept chimneys before they could write, sat at looms while others learned poems, lit fuses in mines before they learned to speak. And yet, it wasn't the accidents that defined the horror. It was that all of this was ordinary and legal and proud.
And still they said it builds the land, while robbing every tiny hand. They carved out wealth from childhood's skin, then locked the truth and walled it in. No statue holds what time devours. These lives were measured in the or stain. Some nest inside and speak.